The group of companies Rost, which was founded in 2001, is one of the main trade and manufacturing enterprises on the market of the Russian Federation in the field of production and supply of all types of seals. It is also a rapidly developing enterprise in the field of metalworking and repair of hydraulic equipment. The group of companies Rost consists of several organizations, each of which develops their own activity directions. Our company was one of the first which entered the market of seals and rubber products in Russia. We have gone from purchasing imported materials and the manufacture of simple parts to organizing high-precision production of seals of various degrees of serialization, independent of foreign suppliers. The group of companies Rost is engaged in the production of materials, sleeves, rods. A great advantage of this direction is the availability of a wide range of manufactured blanks made from various of polymers, which allows us to optimize the financial costs of our customers and to be flexible in approach to the terms for the execution of orders. One of the key areas of the group of companies is the manufacturing of seals by turning on CNC machines. Our experience and production capacities allow us to produce seals of any complexity with a diameter of 4 to 2,000 millimeters, including on an individual request or customer's designs. The press section of manufacture is equipped with modern equipment that allows to produce large batches of rubber products in the shortest possible time. A wide choice of materials allows us to produce products designed to work in various temperature conditions and aggressive environments. In the fleet of molds of our enterprise, there are all sizes of cuffs and rings according to GOST, as well as a wide range of seals according to European standards. Manufacturing of parts on an individual customer's drawings with the design of tooling at the request of the client. More than 25 specialists are employed at the site, and more than 20 units of equipment are put into operation for processing large parts up to 10 meters long and up to 1,800 millimeters in diameter. Work is performed with various options of blanks and a wide range of metal. A repair site is organized at the manufacturer of the group of companies Rost, so the company can not only manufacture new parts according to the customer's drawings, but also assemble them into a single complex unit, debug, test at work, or at close working conditions. The company's specialists take on the most non-standard tasks, complex and large-sized items, such as hydraulic mechanisms of metallurgical industries, hydraulic cylinders with a hydraulic pressure device with a line of thick sheet rolled metal, restoration of the surfaces of the plungers of forging and pressing equipment, etc. The group of companies Rost is an example of successful development and operation based on mutually beneficial partnerships. All specialists working in the organization are highly qualified with a huge experience and knowledge, able to solve almost any task. The quality of our products and of work performed is confirmed by quality certificates, numerous positive reviews, and grateful letters from our partners both within the Russian Federation and in the CIS countries. Therefore, turning to us, you receive a guarantee of high quality, timely fulfillment of your order, as well as reliable partnerships based on trust and mutual assistance.